Hello guys. Okay, so this Arweave AR price prediction for December 2021, and yeah, I've been doing a couple of price prediction videos about Arweave. Let's just jump into it. I don't want to talk about the project. If you know Arweave, you know that it's a legit project. It's one of the most legit projects out there in my opinion right now. Anyway, so this is the chart that I drew back here in December 23rd. Okay, so a couple of days ago. Okay, so actually I don't know if I released that video because I had some problems with my microphone, but anyway, so this was the price prediction I did in the 24th or 23rd. Okay, so basically my point here was that this is a very strong support, this level, right? So this is a very strong support level, and the markets are they are very uncertain. If you go look at, let me show you here. If you go look at the markets here, we are just bouncing back. We are a little bit having this kind of relief rally. For example, a couple of assets that are very like hyped. For example, Terra and Polygon. They have been going up. Okay, and also Cosmos. It seems okay, and Phantom and these other assets. But overall, the markets look very scared still. And I've been looking at the current situation of the world and like the pandemic, and I think that there's still going to be kind of like a negative news coming in at the end of 2021. And any kind of negative news, I think that it's just easy at this point still for the price to fall down. Okay, even though we had this kind of like relief rally, like boom. But if you zoom in here, okay, if you zoom in here, when we had liquidation here, what it was, the December 24th. Okay, we actually hit the lows of $38, okay, and highs of 53. And so basically we closed it at 49. Okay, so C was the close, and but we hit the 38 lows. And actually this is very bullish for our view. What happened here is that we came back here, like you can see here, we had the trend line here, okay, which is basically, it's been holding this as a support. And what happened here is that we came all the way down here to this even lower than this liquidation here. Okay, we came lower here, and then we started going back up. So it's very bullish whenever we go like this, okay, because it just shows that we have so much strength that we just swoop it up and then we start continuing back up again. Okay, and currently we are sitting here and these price levels here, so $60 range. Even though this is very bullish, and I would be like, okay, normally I would be like, okay, we are going up only after this. But at the same time, I still think that the markets are so uncertain right now that any kind of like a negative shakeout easily shakes out a lot of weak hands, and that will trigger panic selling. Okay, for example, think about if we start going back down again, like 10%. I think that people will just panic sell, and it will trigger even more panic selling. So we can easily come back to these prices. But so far this looks pretty strong to me, because yeah, but at the same time, I'm really iffy at this point, because the uncertainty of the markets, and today, like, it's starting to get 2022. It's all about, also when it comes to markets, it's all about mindset. For example, when Bitcoin hits $100,000, that's like a price level for Bitcoin. So that's like a people can now actually believe that we can go to those kind of prices. After 100k, it's more easier to get like 200k, and you know what I'm saying. So if Bitcoin, for example, does that, the other currencies will follow like crazy. So we are in a very like bullish momentum, but I still think that there's still going to be it would be too easy, in my opinion. It would be too easy if we had just this deep and then we started going back up again. Okay, but this dip was indeed pretty steep already. So yeah, anyway, so this is what I'm thinking about, like RV right now. The markets are very tricky right now, very tricky, because there's a lot of like a new year hype could, for example, increase the price. But there also, if we have some kind of negative news coming in at the end of year, it's very likely that we will fall down a lot. And that would be, I think that the most bullish case would, if we start going up from here. I don't think that's, I I just it just feels that it's not going to be as bullish. But if we went down really far, so far that people are like, okay, so the bull market is over now, that would be very bullish in my opinion, because market usually goes the opposite way where people want it to go. Okay, and yeah, anyway, so if you want to check out the free newsletter that I have, you can check it out, link in description. I've been in crypto since late 2016, and yeah, I will show crazy insights here and details about my market insights and everything like that. But this is just a scratch of on the surface. If you want the real deal, if you want the premium one, so this is the best cryptocurrency membership out there. You can check out the ratings, you can check out the testimonials here. It's absolutely, this is the best, guys. Okay, so I mean, the reward of this is insane. We have had like 20 access, 10 multiple 10 access, 7 access, 8 access, 6 to 3 access, multiple ones. So see inside. You can't find anything like this anywhere, and I'm not financial advisor anyway. So thank you so much, and peace out.